it's been a while. You stay ringing up my line, but I cannot play the role you have for me. Is it better for you when I try? Is it better for you when I lie? I think that you should know it's not just material. You pulled me into the gravity of you. Is it better for me to forget what it feels like to mystified by the illusion of what it never was. Using music just to soothe, and now it's time to grow up. All the users try to tell you that you weren't enough, that you needed too much, maybe a little too tough. You shine a little too bright. Could you step out of the light? Be an angel and I can save you for every time that you call. Your very presence will shape our heaven. You never have to play small. Oh, wait a minute to myself to remember what I felt, to remember what I see. You do push for